It all started with justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. There were for months debates around that, hashtags on Twitter. But in the last few weeks, it all became the Narcotics Control Bureau's probe in Bollywood. And this, the family now has also jumped into Sushant Singh Rajput's family and have said that the CBI is going slow as far as this case is concerned. Now, the CBI has released a statement countering Sushant Singh Rajput's family claim. The CBI in its statement said it has been conducting a professional investigation in which all aspects are being probed. CBI denied any possibility of ruling out any suspect of the case and said the investigation is ongoing and current. This comes after Sushant Singh Rajput's family lawyer said the speed of CBI probe is worrying Sushant's family and said the family feels there has been a desperate attempt to divert the probe.
आपको सबको पता है कि सुशांत सिंह केस की पूरे इन्वेस्टिगेशन महाराष्ट्र पुलिस, मुंबई पुलिस बड़े प्रोफेशनली और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से कर रही थी और उसके बाद में एकाएक ये पूरी जांच सीबीआई को दी है। हम भी बड़े बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि सीबीआई का फाइंडिंग क्या है। लोग भी हमको पूछते हैं कि आखिर में सुशांत ने आत्महत्या की या उसका मर्डर हुआ। इस प्रकार की जो दुविधा है, हम राह देख रहे हैं कि सीबीआई की जो जांच है उसका नतीजा जल्द से जल्द सामने आए।
So let me just reiterate what the CBI has said so far on Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. Now, remember, it was on 14 June that Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead in his room. And since then, theories after theories, Mumbai police, then CBI, all coming in. Now, what has the CBI said? Conducting a professional investigation. All aspects are being looked at and no aspect ruled out by the agency so far. It also said investigation is continuing. Now, the question is that, CBI also has been on this case for quite some time. What is it that they have been able to unearth? That is something that nobody knows so far. Meanwhile, from accusing Mumbai police of lapses and demanding a CBI probe to now questioning Sushant Singh, to the CBI's approach into this case, the entire stand of the family and especially the family's lawyer Vikas Singh has almost come a full circle. What all has Mr. Vikas Singh said so far, from demanding the CBI probe to raising questions on the CBI? Take a look.
Mumbai police did not cooperate. So there was no assistance given at all. In fact, when this city SP Patna reached Mumbai, he was quarantined. So at that stage, the family realized that continuing with Patna police will not take things further. And it is better to agree for a CBI investigation. Now that the CBI will get in this matter, I am quite hopeful because the court has ruled on all the points in our favor. So firstly, the court has ruled that Maharashtra police, Mumbai police, whatever it was doing had a very limited scope.
इम्प्रेशन ये आ रहा है कि जिस तरह से मुंबई पुलिस एक परेड करा रही थी, उसी तरह से अब एनसीबी परेड करा रहा है। इसलिए कहीं ना कहीं जो परिवार का मुद्दा था, जो एक सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के मौत का मुद्दा था, उस मुद्दे में कहीं ना कहीं एक ढिलाई समझ लीजिए या उसका एक इम्पोर्टेंस घटता हुआ समझ लीजिए या उसको सही अंजाम पे नहीं ले जाने की एक एफर्ट कह लीजिए। बट ये जो है बड़ा एक गंभीर मामला हम लोग की तरफ से है और हम चाहते हैं इस बात को खुलासा करें।
So what are the reasons for the delay as far as Sushant Singh Rajput's death mystery is concerned? CBI has been taking the case. It's been over a month. And what has so far come out of this is something that is only in realm of speculation. Now, what are the reasons? Why is the delay? While there is a report from the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, which is pending right now. No deadline on the report yet, and there hasn't been any meeting so far between AIIMS and the CBI.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.